epic lock-in. Ladies and gentlemen, what did you think?
Incredible, amazing, magical. I'm running out of words, Rick Peterson.
Oh, that's what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to leave you speechless. Thank you, Epic. E1000AX. A new epic era has landed, and we appreciate their help with putting this great evening on. Thank you to Dennis Dunbar for the concept. Ken Reeder, Redline Airshow. Nathan Hammond, GHOSTRIDER Airshow. Bob Croft, VERTIGO Airshow. The Great Lakes Drone Company. The Tora Bomb Squad. On Final, FX Starfire, and Laser Bob. Everybody played a part, and it all came together.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we mentioned before, please wait until we start to bring the lights back up. Enjoy this moment and what we all just experienced.
Please don't try and move back out of the crowd yet until we get the lights back up, so you can do that safely. I want to point out something too, and I think it happened right about where the kiss happened.
As we saw a couple kissing in the sky, before us on the ground, Danny Harville proposed to Nina, and we just got word she said yes, congratulations.
Yep, we even had a proposal in all of this. And it's dark, there's probably other things going on too. Now behave and have a safe journey home. Sound provided by In Concert Productions. Please put your hands together too for Jay Rabbit and his incredible team. And there is Bob coming back to Earth now on the glider. Jay, we couldn't do without you. Epic set.
Hi everybody!
There he is.
We have a special list of sponsors too. Our performer, Kyle Fowler, who took to the sky in our spaceship. A special thank you to AIRSHOW Power, powering the Long Easy with the light combing. Artcraft Paint for the amazing paint job, innovative wings for all the composite work done, Cato Propellers, SDS, EFI, and Ignition products, and Lightspeed headsets. Our performers can't do it.
Watching the drones coming down now, line by line, every one of them coming back to nest, as it is now unwound. Ladies and gentlemen, have a safe journey home. Brittany Nielsen.
Rick Peterson, what an incredible, stunning fun.
One more show tomorrow.